Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the Apollo compressor on a flat surface and powering it up. This primes the motor so pressure stabilizes while you prepare medication. Next, inspect the air filter and tubing for cracks. If air leaks, particle delivery drops. Assemble a clean medicine cup and attach the tubing firmly to compressor outlet. Once done, ensure the mask or mouthpiece is sanitized and dry so droplets don't dilute your prescribed dose during nebulization. You now add the exact measured dose into the nebulizer cup. Accuracy matters because particle size and therapeutic effect depend on volume and concentration. Connect the cup to the compressor tubing and confirm a tight seal. Loose fittings reduce output. Turn the compressor on and observe steady mist production for about 30 seconds. If you see large droplets, stop, reattach parts, and test again. Make minor flow adjustments if your model allows, because correct flow ensures optimal particle size for lung deposition. You complete the treatment by breathing calmly through the mouthpiece or mask until the mist stops, usually 5 to 15 minutes. This steady inhalation delivers medication deep into airways. When finished, switch off the unit, disconnect tubing, and rinse nebulizer components with warm water, air dry on a clean towel, and store dry. This prevents bacterial growth and maintains performance. If the unit fails to produce mist, check power, tubing connections, and filter. Replace damaged parts promptly to restore correct therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.